Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Once you follow those instructions, and when I reach 6,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win the free money. So go ahead and click on the link, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1.50 for each video you watch. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, you saw at the beginning of this video that I'm doing the free money giveaway. So we got until the end of March to make it to 6,000 subscribers, guys. And I know we can make it there. So please share this video. Help me get more subscribers so I can give away this free money. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop up on the screen that's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So it'll be very, very beneficial for you to watch this video all the way through. Do not skip anything, guys. Do not skip anything. Because also, I don't want you to miss out on the steps you need to take to make this money. So without further ado, let me hop over here to the site, and I'm going to show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is ptcshare.com. Now, on this site, you're going to be viewing video ads, and you're going to get paid to click on these video ads. So it says here, PTC Share is more than just a pay to click. Tons of ways to earn for free. All right, so what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account, and I'm going to show you how this site works and how you're going to make money. But first, let me just show you some payment proof if you don't think this is legit. So right here, cash outs. So this person right here cashed out $1 9 hours ago. And this person right here cashed out $1.29 9 hours ago. This person cashed out $1. This person cashed out $1.29, and this person cashed out $1.33. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot of money, but people like to cash out as soon as they can, because a little money here and there was going to help them. You know, it's not going to make them rich, but it's a little money here and there will help them. They might want to save it for something, or they want to, use it for food or gas or whatever they want to use it for. So like over here are the top earners right here, the top 48 earners. So this person making $8, $6, this person making $5, this person making $5, this person making $4. Again, it's not much money, but it's almost like free money, guys, because you're just going to be viewing some ads, which you already do on the internet anyway. Might as well make some money. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into my account, and I'm going to show you how it works, and I'll show you some more payment proof. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, guys, I've logged into my account, and as you can see, here are where you can earn right here. So you just click right here, and they have view ads, they have offer walls, they have surveys, videos, paid to click, walls, click grid, and also you can refer friends. So since we're talking about viewing ads, I'm gonna go ahead and click on here and see here are the ads you can view. So you just click on any of these ads and I'm going to show you how it works. So as you scroll down here, it says right here, view paid ads to earn. So you just click right here where it says view paid ad. So it take you to this ad. It's kind of like an animated type of ad. And all you do is just answer this question up here. Solve the captcha to start the ad timer. So click or touch the man. So that looks like the man. So click that and then you click confirm. And you wait 5 seconds. Boom. You just earned some money. And you just click here to go to the next one, or you can just close this out. So that's all you have to do. You just click on that button down here, view an ad, and make some money. Now again, you're not going to get rich doing this, but it will add up. You just clicking on it. You can do it for like 20-30 minutes a day. You might be making $2 or $3 or $4 or $5. No telling. It's all up to you. So let's just look at some of these other offers and other tasks you can do. So they got offer walls. Let's click there. So if any offers here, it'll pop up down here where you can go ahead and click on it and do some tasks. So they got surveys. So as you can see here, they have the number. So this is how many ads I can view. And right here, click grid. So this is available. So I'll click there. And here's a click grid. So you just click on one of these squares and you can make some money doing it that way. So it says click to win up to $10 or 100,000 BAP, which is their type of currency on here. So guys, so it's a lot of things you can do on here other than just view ads. And here are the cash offers, which nothing there because you can see it's no number. So when you come on your site, when you come on and log into your account, when you see a little number up here in the red, that means you have something that you can go ahead and view and make some money from it. And let me show you one other thing here. So you can refer friends. Let's click there. So all you gotta do is get this link right here and you refer friends, and it says here 7% commission on their every ad purchase. So every ad that's purchased, you get 7%, and 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks. So whatever the value is of their ad clicks, you're gonna get 3% of that. So eligibility for additional daily referral ad issue, a ton of achievement points, increasing your part of the daily achievement ad issue. So this is another way, guys, you can make some extra money on this website. Now let me go ahead and show you some more payment proof. So as you can see down here, you can get paid in Litecoin. You can get paid in Bitcoin. And look how much this person got paid, $46 in Bitcoin. This person right here got paid $1 in Payoneer. So most of these people getting paid out in Payoneer because you get cash right off the bat with Payoneer. So as you can see here, all different type of amounts that people are making, and you know they're cashing out on these amounts. So guys, that's it. That's basically it. So all you have to do is go to ptcshare.com, sign up, start viewing ads, and start making that money. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make this money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Because what? I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys. If you still watching this video, thank you. I really appreciate it. Now, I want you to do this. Type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now. It's going to increase your chances of making some free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So guys, you're going to be lucky enough to win this money just because you watch this video all the way to the very end. And also it lets me know that you guys are watching my videos all the way to the very end, and you're going to get rewarded for that. Well, two of you guys. All right, guys. Thanks again for your support. Keep supporting me, and I will keep dropping these videos. All right. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out either one of these videos right now until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.